More information this afternoon about an ICE raid in southeastern New Mexico.
Our Leah Chavez now learning how many people were arrested at a farm last week and joins us live in studio.
Yeah, Immigration and Customs Enforcement confirming that operation in Lovington, and today we're hearing from a community organizer. This photo, one of the only the public is seeing of a Lovington ICE raid last week. Immigration and Customs Enforcement saying 11 arrested while executing a search warrant at Outlook Dairy Farms, adding that 9 of those individuals had previously been banned from the United States, writing, "Criminal employers who hire illegal workers put other employees in our communities at risk. Plus, they undercut their competition by exploiting illegal alien labor, making it harder for legitimate American businesses to stay afloat."
Concern for our Hispanic community here, migrants, workers.
Eduvias Hernandez, a community organizer from Somos Un Pueblo Unido, a New Mexico organization advocating for migrant rights, telling KOAT the community is scared.
Right now, we can tell that people are not going outside at all. The streets are empty and the community is panicked.
The raids also causing concern for the younger generation.
And when it was school season, there were times when parents did not send their children to school.
We did reach out to the owner of Outlook Farms and haven't yet heard back. Reporting, I'm Leah Chavez, KOAT Action 7 News.
Several local organizations, including the New Mexico Immigrant Law Center, are set to hold a press conference on the Lovington raid this week.